Introduction. Sigra is a geomechanical engineering consulting company with on-site and laboratory measurement services. Sigra can provide solutions to the most complex geomechanics and ground structure interaction problems, including ground fluids, their control and extraction. Sigra was started in 1994 by Dr. Ian Gray in dealing with mining gassy coal. Dr. Gray remains as Technical and Managing Director of Sigra. Sigra operates in all areas of civil engineering, mining and shallow gas extraction. Sigra is a company that undertakes measurement and design to provide solutions to engineering and mining problems. All aspects of engineering within the ground are backed by a sound understanding of geology and geophysics, supported by Sigra's field measurements. Sigra operates internationally, providing specialist services across the world, extending from Arctic Russia to Patagonia in South America. Sigra's focus is on observation and measurement before the use of numerical models. The concept that all models are approximations, but they need to be useful, is always kept at the forefront of our designers' minds. This approach is essential to maintaining engineering integrity. Sigra is not an academic institution, though its technology may exceed that of many universities. It is in the business of providing practical solutions. These solutions must always be robust enough to survive unexpected changes in both ground conditions and design requirements. Because of the inadequacy of many of the commercially available measurement tools and practices, the company started to develop its own equipment to do the job properly. The preparedness of the company to build new items of equipment is not limited to measurement. It has included mining systems and drilling equipment. Not only has Sigra engaged in measuring the behaviour of rocks, but it has also extended theoretical basis to explain their behaviour. These developments cover the intertwined topics of rock stiffness, permeability and diffusional behaviour, so important in outbursting, rock bursting and fluid drainage. They are particularly relevant in the design of tunnels in soft rocks or in the changing permeability of gas reservoirs. An integral part of design and construction within the geomechanical environment is monitoring real behaviour of the ground during and following engineering works. To do this, Sigra have built suitable measurement tools. They extend from simple visual indicators of rock movement to data acquisition systems that can operate globally to bring information on real measurements back to the office where it can be examined properly.